Hi guys, this is Microbiome Test Kitchen. Today I wanted to show you guys what happens when we put probiotics in sauerkraut. This is a recipe that I've been doing for a little bit now. It's probably one of the best flavor profiles for a sauerkraut. It is the classic turmeric, ginger, and carrot sauerkraut. I have done this recipe maybe 2 times before. I think it really beats a lot of the other flavors that I've tried. It's basically pretty simple. You just like chop up some ginger. I shred carrots with using a carrot peeler, and then I put like 2 tablespoons of turmeric in, and it always ends up pretty good. And so this time I was really interested in seeing what happens if I actually put probiotics into the ferment. I think most of what the literature says is that the bacteria that grows, that ferments the cabbage, is usually lactobacillus. This one probiotic that I'm taking actually has a lot of lactobacillus in it.
Lactobacillus acidophilus, KC, Gasseri, plantarum. These are all lactobacillus species.
I was thinking maybe it would speed up the fermentation process or even like amplify some of the bacterial strains that are in my probiotic that I'm taking. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, that's really good. This one got really soft. The carrot and the ginger work really well together. So I think that's just a really solid option for flavoring. The turmeric doesn't come out as much, I think mainly because the other flavors are so strong, plus it's sauerkraut, so it's also really sour. But that's kind of okay with me because I don't really like the flavor of turmeric too much. I will say one thing is that this sauerkraut went for 5 weeks, and I've had sauerkrauts go for much longer, and this one is actually much softer than the other sauerkrauts at this time interval, which is really interesting, and I think that might be due to the probiotics that I put in, hopefully. I think it'd really be cool if there was a faster, easier way to see which bacteria are actually in our sauerkraut or whatever we're fermenting. I will re-emphasize though that this is probably one of the softest sauerkrauts that I've ever made, and this is really interesting, and I think it might be because of the probiotics. I mean, it also could be due to the hot weather that we're having now. I think I'm going to try it again in the winter to see if it also gets softer. Okay, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.